right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Graham here, I believe, maybe first time on Going Guitar, not sure. I listened to him before, so it's hard to separate if I actually covered him here on this channel. But anyway, this is called My Medicine. All right, great song, fits guitar very, very well, obviously, because he plays guitar. So yeah, let's go right into this tutorial together. We're gonna look at the chords. No need for any capo here, all right? So it's clean up there, and then let's go through the chords, starting with G now, and that will be 3rd fret on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is C. That goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and the final chord will be D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so let's learn the strumming. It will be used almost through entire song. So if you grab the first chord, the G, one string around goes like this. It's a very common one. You're gonna play down, down, up, down, up. I like to play the first down on the bass strings, and pretty much only, and then the next down I answer on the higher strings, and then I continue on the mid higher strings with the up, down, up. So that is one string round. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes like this. All right. So let's dive into the song. I'm gonna start with the first verse, and that is to play G 4 string rounds and C 4 string rounds. You're gonna go back and forth for 2 rounds. So G4, C4, G4, C4. Again. Okay, so that is the first verse, and about 23 seconds into the song starts the first pre-chorus, okay? So that is where we're gonna use the A minor. You're gonna play A minor, 4 string rounds, and then go over to C and play 2 string rounds plus 1 extra down and a pause. And that's it for the pre-chorus. So A minor 4, C2, and 1 down plus an extra pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. The chorus starts about 34 seconds into the song, and in the lyrics, she's my medicine. All right, so that's where we have the theme, the title of the song, and yeah, you're gonna start to play a little bit differently here. We have 2 rounds of C, G, and D. The first round, you're gonna play like this. All right, that's the first round. And how do you know how long the pauses will be in between? Yeah, so imagine you play C 4 string rounds, all right? And then you go to G and play 2 string rounds, and then D 2 string rounds. You just imagine that and you count in your head. So you're gonna play the first down, obviously when the strumming starts on the first down, and then you have the pause, and it's the length of the pause will be 2 rounds. And then when the 3rd round of strumming starts, you hit it again on the C still. So and then you go over to G and play just 1 down, and that one pause with the G lasts for 2 rounds of strumming. So, and then you go over to D and play 1 down, and that as well lasts for 2 rounds of strumming. So C, down, down, up, down, up, 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 G, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, D. Okay, so that is how you have to think in your head. You're just going to play the first down on the C, and the third round of C as well, and then the first down on G and D. Okay, so that is the first chord progression round in this course. The next round will be to actually play the rounds we talked about. So you're going to play C4, G2, and D2 like this. And with that, we end the first course. All right, back into the second round of everything, and now it's just repetition. The second verses play exactly in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. And after that second chorus, we have the outro part left, and that's in the lyrics just where it sings medicine, medicine, all right? And what you're gonna do here is to play C4, G2, D, one round plus a pause, and that will be the end of it. So, pretty easy to handle this song from Graham, My Medicine. Very straightforward, 4 chords, simple strumming, and that's it. So if you love that song, this is a perfect match. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed this tutorial and even my channel, perhaps my voice, anything else here, make sure you subscribe and like this tutorial. Until next time, play tuned.